Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today, we actually have a box to unbox here. And what we got is some mason jars. Now these are really good for organizing and holding stuff like foods and spices in a nice airtight manner that's going to keep it from bugs and dust and stuff like that. So what I did is, actually the wife did, ordered some mason jars, and these are we got some 16-ounce ones and some 32-ounce ones. Uh-oh. Do not open this bag, sold as a set. Why does it say that on there? Okay, anyways, we're opening the bag. Got some good bubble wrap in here. So we got these are from Amazon, a 12-pack of 16-ounce mason jars, which I believe is this little one here. Maybe not. Well, let's just open it up anyways. So a 12-pack of 16-ounce jars, 1 pints. Got them for $32. And here these guys are. Let's pull one out. There's a little scratch on that lid. What? Oh well. So these, here's the little jars. So they have a nice little lid that seals. Put your spices in there. Put a nice little label on them. A nice little clean jar. If you want to organize your cabinets or whatever, your garage, put different size screws and stuff in there. That is that. So there's 12 of these little guys. And that runs about $32 on Amazon. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check those out. And also, let's check out the next box, shall we? These are the larger mason jars. These are 32 ounces. Let's see here. Could use my scissors right about now, but that's all right. So 12 of these. Well, comes in 6-packs, and the 6-packs are $26. That doesn't seem right. Maybe 26 for 2 of these. So these are the 32-ounce mason jars, 1 quart, and I think they run about $13. This 26 seems a little high, but we'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check them out. They have a nice little, same as the other one, nice little seal there. If you want to tighten it on there, you can put stuff in there. You can put it in the refrigerator, you can put it in your cabinets, whatever you want. Nice glass finish. You put labels on there. You probably even take a dry erase pen and write on there, just write on the glass, and then erase it if you need to, label whatever. So pretty handy for organizing and stuff. And these should be fairly durable. Get rid of that box there. Open this last one, show you guys. And 6 more. So basically, the lid was on there, a little cattywampus. There we have it. I'll just do a little side-by-side comparison with the smaller ones as far as size-wise. So we have the, optical illusion there. So the smaller ones are 32 ounce or 1 quart, or the bigger ones, I'm sorry, and the larger, my goodness, I'm all backwards. Small ones are 16 ounces, 1 pint, and the larger ones are 32 ounces, 1 quart or 2 pints. So there's the differences in size. Of course, if you have them in the background, they're different. Anyways, okay, thanks for watching, guys. I do get some kickbacks if you guys click on the links to order these, so I am an Amazon associate. I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.